So now I'm going to show you how to use the command awk to compute the mean value of the returns. Just a small disclaimer here, awk command is a very advanced command in Linux, and if you don't know what that means and how to use it, don't hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to give you further information. So now let me show you how to use awk to compute the mean value of the third column, which is the return column. So basically what we want to do here is to compute the average value of our benefits if we had started in the stock market since the year 950 until the year 2021. And for that I'm going to use the command awk. So let me proceed. So we are going to start this command by initiating some constant. The first one is the number of data we want to average. And now let me exclude the first line, which started with this diez character. Now I'm going to create a vector called benefits, where I'm going to put all of my data. So the benefits, I'm going to do it like this. K plus plus equal the third column. And if you can recall, the third column is the return column. I'm going to end all the writing and I'm going to initiate the mean value to 0. Now I'm going to loop over all the value present in the benefit column by doing something like this for g equal to 0, g lesser or equal than k, and g plus plus. So now I'm going to loop over all the values I'm going to do and I'm going to compute the mean. So the mean value will be mean plus equal to the benefit at the position E. And at the end, I'm going to print the thing I computed. So I'm going to compute the mean, the sum of all values that I basically did here, and I'm going to divide it by the number of all value present in my benefits. So just for clarity, I'm going to add something here, which is percent. The third column divided by 100, it will give me some percentage values. I'm going to give the file as an entry, as an input, and now I'm going to press enter in order for the value to appear. So here you can see that I have something like 0.0097 as the average value of all the possible values. If I want to display this value in a percentage manner, so I can do something like this. I can multiply the printed value by 100. So now you can see that the average value of my benefits over like 60 or 70 years in the S&P 500 stock market is something like 0.97%. Now if I want to see the average value per year, or the average benefit per year since the year 950, well, I will just have to multiply this value by 12, which stands for 12 months. And now I can get something like 11.72% per year, meaning that if I started this year and I put $100 in the S&P 500 stock market, by the end of the 2021, I will get something like 100 plus $100 times 11.7%, which is close to $120. So there you have it. This is just an example of introduction to what awk and Linux can do with statistics, and in further episode I'm going to show you how to compute the standard deviation, how to compute the skewness, and of course how to plot the distribution and how to compute all its features. I hope you like this tutorial and this series, and I see you soon.